like the second time I notice this happens to me. It's mainly from like the sweat and getting into my eye, and I wear contacts. I don't know, like what the heck, but I have to take a shower. I washed my hair so many hours ago, but because I've had it up, it's still not fully dry. Anyway, I didn't want today to go by without kind of explaining or setting the tone for myself, putting it out there. I'm back. I'm back with trying to vlog. Yes, I put it like this because I want to do something that I set my mind to and see it through. Like, I'm going to do it. Back in May, I vlogged daily, but I had to edit it into a weekly thing, and I had so much footage and I love to edit, but I have a full-time job, so it gets hard. Like, it takes up a lot of time, and I like to edit. I want it to be something that I do, a creative outlet, and I don't want it to feel like a job because I already have a job. So I'm trying this. It's gonna be 31 days of vlogs here for the month of July. Mini vlogs. So in my head I'm like, perfect, I could just get little clips. If it's under a minute, if it's a minute, perfect. If it's less, whatever, like, it is what it is. But something that I can just edit on my phone, not have to sit at the computer and do it, and we'll see. That's the goal. That's the plan, and we're gonna see how it goes. I have an event with my mom around mid-August, and the theme is like this gala theme, which I'm really excited about and honored to be like going with my mom to this event. She was nominated as a Spanish immigrant and a woman. It's a women's, Spanish and immigrant like leadership thing, and it's just nice. I'm so proud of my mom. She's so beautiful inside and out, and gosh, I'm just so happy to be going to this event with her, and that she asked me if I'd go with her. So regardless, it is that gala theme, like I'm saying, gala theme, and so obviously it has to be this like beautiful, attire, and I know I am beautiful and healthy, but I'm not where I like feel the most confident, and I can say that like it's normal. I think that a lot of us go through that, and I like I said, I want to see something through, like fully through, not halfway, and I'm excited as I am when I start all this stuff. But anyway, hopefully you'll join me. Hopefully this is something I can look back on and just be so dang proud of myself, So I've been showing already today like what I've been eating and things like that, and I'll do that when I can, but it's literally, I want this to be like no pressure. Pressure in the sense of like I want to get something, but like if I missed a meal or something like that, like it's not a big deal. So anyway, today's been kind of like a shorter day. I woke up a little bit later, so I went to run a little bit later, so all my meals were kind of backed up, but usually I'm up at like 5:30, and it's already about to be 6, and I guess I need to figure out what I'm having for dinner. So, all right, let's do this.